Unit 10, Lesson 4 is all about the different minor scales. And we covered this concept way back in the key of E minor. We're going to do it in A minor. So there are 5 different minor scale types, and they're going to be the same kind of thing that we had before in E minor. The 5 scale types will be the A natural minor, which the notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And those are the same notes that we have in the key of C major. So C major and A natural minor have the same 7 notes, just in a different order, and they're called the relative major and minor keys. And so we'll use that key signature of no sharps and flats for both the key of C major or the key of A minor. And the only way you know is by listening to where does it resolve. Does it resolve to a C or does it resolve to an A? That's usually pretty easy to tell because minor keys tend to have that sort of sad sound to them. The next one we're going to learn is the A minor pentatonic, and to do that scale we simply skip the 2nd and 6th note of the scale, so we're going to go A, C, D, E, G, A. The 3rd scale type, minor scale type, will be the harmonic minor, and it's going to be exactly the same as the natural minor, except we're going to raise the 7th note. So instead of a G natural, we're going to have a G sharp. So the notes would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. The Dorian minor scale has a raised 6th note in it. Otherwise, it's the same as the natural minor. So it's going to have an F sharp instead of an F natural. So otherwise, it's the same as the natural minor. So we're going to start A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A. And finally, the last minor scale type will be the melodic minor, and it's going to have a raised 6th and 7th. And so we'll have an F sharp and a G sharp, and it's going to sound like this. A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And I will remind you that technically that's only an ascending scale, and when we descend, we play the natural minor. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. But for the purposes of improvising, we consider the melodic minor to be the same ascending and descending. So it sort of depends on the classical definition of the scale. In the classical definition of the scale, the melodic minor is an ascending only scale, and it descends as a natural minor. In the using it in an improvising sense for jazz and whatnot, we'll play the scale the same ascending and descending with both the F sharp and the G sharp in the scale. All right, later in this lesson, we're going to see the 2-octave A minor scale, which I'll go ahead and play for you. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So we're going to do the same modifications to the scale over 2 octaves. So for example, if I wanted to make it A minor pentatonic, I would skip the 2nd and 6th note. So I'd skip the 2nd and 6th note. So we'd start with A and go from there. So it'll sound like this. A, skipping B, so we're going to C, D, E, G, A. C, D, E, G, A. So continue through all the scale types in the 2-octave fingering and go ahead and modify it to either add the raised 6th or the raised 6th and 7th or the raised 7th, and say the scale type as you play it. We will see you at lesson 5.